Lot number 139 is a 2003 Bluebird 72 passenger bus. This bus was driven here 6 months ago and parked. The body is straight. The tires are great. I'll show you the body. This bus, I noticed the fuel gauge is empty. We tried to start it and it turns on, it cuts off. So we're starting fluid so we can show you that the engine sounds good. It started right up, but it has no fuel. I'll demonstrate. Look at the gauge. Okay, there's the fuel gauge right there. Right there. It is empty. Empty, empty. So I'm gonna hit it with starting fluid. It's dirty inside. It's got some mildew. The driver's seat looks good. It's got dual air. One unit in the front, one unit in the back. I can't tell you if it's cold or not because it doesn't run long enough for me to be able to check it. The floors look good. The seating looks good. The seats look good. They're just dirty. And the floor looks really good. Alrighty, so that's pretty much it. I'm going to show you the engine and show you how it sounds. Alright. It's a Caterpillar 3126. Look at these tires. Lots of thread. Takes 3 batteries. They're dead. You need to put new batteries. Alright, so we're going to hit it. See if we can demonstrate. The jumpers are kind of weak, so, but it does run. When I say it runs, it runs. Motor sounded good. We had it running a little longer than that, but we just wanted to demonstrating and show you a video so you can hear it for yourself. Alrighty, so like I said, look at this body. Look at how straight this body is. Really straight. Oh, he's starting it up again. Alrighty, remember this bus was driven here. So, good luck.